All right, guys. So I wanted to show you some parts off of our new dyeing system that we are currently testing. It's a Girbau DY130. So this is an automated part dyeing system that was developed between Girbau and HP, and they have a new dye called G dye. And so traditionally, we would use RIT, proline black, along with a custom-built dyeing system. And so, that worked great up until this point. And but what we ran into was it was very difficult to, get consistent blacks throughout the process of dyeing batch after batch after batch of production parts. And also, RIT was kind of temperamental. We just kept running into issue after issue with variations from batch to batch, and it worked okay, and because it was all we really had, and we made it work. But we're machine builders and automation guys, so anytime I can automate a process, we're going to do it. And so this machine, you take and you load a batch of parts into a laundry bag, and then you put the bag into the machine. The machine is loaded, preloaded with the G dye, which currently the only color they're doing is black. You push a button, and 90 minutes later your parts come out. And we have been absolutely blown away with how good of a job the dye in the machine does. So Girbau actually builds industrial laundry equipment. So this is actually a retrofitted washing machine, which is really funny because that's actually something we talked about early on when we were looking at automating the dyeing process, was literally getting an old washing machine and putting a servo drive into it with a PLC to be able to do exactly what these guys have done. And so, you put your parts in and they come out, and we've been just super duper impressed. So this is a end of arm tool we've been working on, and the black is just amazing. So one of the other really cool things is consistency. So we've been testing it all week. So we've done 5 batches so far. So day 1, day 2, 3, 4, and 5. And so if I kind of lay these out here for you, it's a little bit hard to tell with the camera, but it really, really is consistent. The finishes from one to the next are quite consistent across the batch. This one does have a bit of an off color compared to the rest. That one was a day we were actually experimenting with the programs. So if you drop that one out, you can see they're pretty consistent once we got the programming dialed in. So now another comparison I wanted to give you. So another finish option that we offer here is Cerakote. So this is Armor Black. So this is a standard Cerakote Armor Black chip. And this is this is actually out of the batch, or this is the tag I put in with the end of arm tool I was just showing you. So, I mean, you can look, this is a flat black. Obviously with MJF you only have the option of flat black. And I mean, it's very black. It's a very, very black. I'm trying to play the light here for you, but even this has a little bit of a shine to it, so it does look a little bit lighter compared to the MJF part. But with the naked eye, they're very, very similar in shade. So so far we've had the machine for 2 weeks, and we've been extremely, extremely pleased with it.